In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy shop name using the Etsy app on your mobile device. Whether you're rebranding or just want a fresh new name, this guide will walk you through the entire process simply and clearly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Etsy app on your phone. Just tap on that app icon and sign in with your details if you haven't done so yet. This is your digital storefront, and making sure you're signed in is crucial to accessing all of its features. It's a straightforward step, and once you're in, you're ready to make some changes. Next, look towards the bottom of your screen and you'll notice an icon labeled You in the bottom right corner. Give that a tap. This section is like your personal hub on Etsy, and it's where you'll easily find the shop manager. Tap on Shop Manager. It's your command center for everything related to your shop. Inside the Shop Manager, you'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is the Shop Settings. To get there, you'll either tap on the Settings gear icon if it's visible, or you might find an option called Edit Shop. Either will get you to where you need to be. This area is the backstage of your Etsy store where you can tweak different aspects of your shop, including the name. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says Shop Name. Now, this is where the magic happens. Tap on Shop Name to edit it. Here, you'll have the chance to type in the new name you've been thinking about. Whether it's something uniquely personal, catchy, or perfectly descriptive of what you sell, now's your chance to make that adjustment. Keep in mind, Etsy has a few rules for shop names. They need to be between 4 and 20 characters long, without any spaces or special characters. This helps keep things simple and consistent for both sellers and customers on the platform. If your new name has already been claimed by another user, Etsy will politely prompt you to try something else. It's a good idea to have a couple of backup names in mind, just in case. After you've settled on a name that fits the criteria and isn't already in use, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save or Done button to finalize your new shop name. Once tapped, you'll have updated your Etsy shop name, ready to show off to your customers. It's as simple as that, and the new name should reflect across your shop immediately. And there you have it, a fresh new name for your Etsy shop in just a few simple steps. Remember, your shop name is a vital part of your brand identity, so choose something that truly represents what you offer. Thanks for following along today, and happy selling on Etsy.